In a small, bustling village surrounded by lush savanna, there lived a resilient widow named Mariama. She was known for her unwavering faith, her bright white hijab, and her determination to care for her 5 children. 4 boys, Abdullahi, Ibrahim, Musa, and Karim, and one daughter, Zainab. They called her Mother of the Stars because she always told them they were her guiding lights. After the sudden death of her husband, Mariama faced a storm of challenges. She sold fabric at the market, grew vegetables, and even carried firewood on her back to provide for her children. Her hands bore calluses from hard labor, but her spirit never wavered. She always reminded her children, "With Allah, nothing is impossible. Stay united and we will overcome." But not everyone wished her well. From her husband's side, whispers filled the air that she was too proud to accept charity. On her own side, jealous cousins gossiped, claiming she had been favored by fate because of her strong, intelligent children. In the shadows, witches plotted against Mariama. These were women disguised as friendly relatives, cloaked in vibrant African prints and hijabs. Their envy was like a slow-burning fire, and they sought to destroy her happiness. The witches first targeted her livelihood. They cast a spell on her vegetable garden, causing the crops to wither overnight. Then they spread lies in the market, turning customers away from her fabric stall. But Mariama did not despair. She told her children, "Allah is testing us. We will persevere." The children worked harder, gathering firewood and fetching water to help their mother. Zainab, the youngest, became her mother's shadow, helping her knead bread dough late into the night. Unbeknownst to Mariama, her own cousin Fatima had secretly joined the witches, blinded by jealousy. Fatima promised to deliver Mariama into their hands in exchange for wealth and power. One fateful night, Fatima came to visit Mariama, her face covered by a golden veil. She brought gifts of dates and milk, claiming they were from a wealthy benefactor who admired Mariama's hard work. Grateful but cautious, Mariama hesitated. However, Fatima's persistence wore her down. The food was cursed. After eating it, Mariama fell gravely ill. Her body weakened, and her once bright eyes dimmed. Yet even in her sickness, she prayed for her children, asking Allah to protect them. The witches, believing they had won, rejoiced. But Mariama's faith was her shield. One night, in her final moments, she gathered her children close and whispered, "Never forget, my stars, that your strength lies in unity and faith. Trust in Allah, for He sees all and knows all. Even when I am gone, my prayers will light your path." She passed away, leaving her children orphans. The witches, thinking they had triumphed, turned their sights on the children. But they underestimated the strength of Mariama's faith and the power of her love. Each of the children inherited a piece of their mother's resilience. Abdullahi, the eldest, became the protector, taking on his mother's role. Ibrahim developed a sharp mind, crafting traps and strategies to outwit their enemies. Musa learned the secrets of the land, becoming a skilled farmer despite the witches' curses. Karim grew into a fearless hunter, bringing food to his siblings. Zainab, though the youngest, had her mother's unwavering faith and became the family's spiritual anchor. Together, they outsmarted the witches at every turn. They planted a garden that thrived against all odds, using knowledge Ibrahim discovered from a wise elder. Musa hunted down the witches' hidden charms and burned them. Zainab's prayers became a shield so strong that no spell could penetrate their home. One night, the children set a clever trap. They lured the witches into a clearing by spreading false rumors of treasure buried under a baobab tree. When the witches arrived, the children, dressed in their mother's pure white fabric, appeared as if they were spirits. Startled and terrified, the witches fled, their powers broken by their own fear and guilt. The legacy of Mariama. The children grew to become leaders in their community, respected for their wisdom, courage, and unity. They rebuilt their mother's legacy and helped others in need, ensuring that Mariama's name was never forgotten. And so the tale of Mariama, the Mother of the Stars, became a story told around fires for generations, a reminder that faith, unity, and resilience can overcome even the darkest of trials.